Hey, Brian from HarVow Montessori. Today I have a 2-in-1 busy board with LED lights. So you can power it two ways, one with USB or one with two AA batteries. Yep, you're excited. Let's put these over here. You want to come up? Okay. So, that's your USB cord. And we'll put that away. 1 second. So that's got all sorts of buttons and stuff. Let's put all the packing away real quick. So the two AA batteries go here, so it's under these two Phillips head screws, and then basically you turn it on there, and then as soon as they start flipping switches, everything will start lighting up for them. Pretty cool. What do you think? Hit these. So pretty neat. Each one of the buttons make a noise, and it's a great way for them to learn the colors and different noises and different shapes. And it has all these little busy switches on it, and pretty neat. Anyway, Brian and Aiden from HarVow Montessori, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.